Hello, my friends. I am Sri Arjun. Today's topic is Transcendental Consciousness and Global Business. Fragrance of flowers spreads in the direction of wind, but fragrance of transcendental consciousness spreads everywhere. The moment you transcend the gross mind and reach up to the level of transcendental consciousness, that is the field of infinite possibilities, you can get referrals for your business from everywhere. The field itself starts managing your business. In our workshop, we just train your mind to reach to the level of transcendental consciousness. For our forthcoming seminars and workshops, you can text me or call me. My number and the links of my blog and other social handles given below in the description. Namaste.